Today I have a question about the Thermowell in terms of temperature measurement.
So accessories are really important when it comes to process instrumentation. And one of my favorites is a Thermowell, which goes along with a temperature transmitter, like this one. So a Thermowell provides some serious benefits, and some of them are it guards against any aggressive medias, high pressure, and flow conditions. A Thermowell also increases the life of a temperature transmitter, means an RTD or a thermocouple. So this goes on top of your temperature element. And third one is it also eliminates any contamination in your process. And then fourth one, the temperature transmitter can be installed or taken out of the service without draining your line. That's a big benefit in terms of maintenance. It's kind of hot tap. So next time when you think about temperature transmitter, think about this important element, Thermowell. Temperature transmitter plus Thermowell is a complete measurement.